Alright, so as a business owner, using the best email marketing software is a great gain for your business. So in this video, I just found out not only the best email marketing software for your business, but also a free to use email marketing software. This software helps you schedule and automate your email campaigns. So from sending your emails directly into the inbox folder of your recipient to helping you build unlimited landing pages and many more, you are sure to be using the best free email marketing software out there for your business. Now listen friends, if you want to see more review videos on softwares like this, do well to subscribe now to see the next marketing software we will be reviewing next. Now let me show you how it's all being done right here using this free to use email marketing software called SendFox. What I'm going to be doing right now in this video is to teach you how to import your list into SendFox, how to create an opt-in page, how to start your email campaigns, and also share with you some other information you need to know concerning SendFox right before you go have your account created on it. So firstly, we should now proceed to create a free account on SendFox. Just like any other email marketing software out there, guys, we can create an account manually or by signing in with Google. So I prefer the second option here because this is more easier and faster to use. Now I'll select this email address of mine, and here we have a new dashboard created for us effortlessly. Now the next step, now we need to move over to the next step, which is to upload our email list. So we'll come over to this audience section right here, and then firstly we need to create a list. Now creating a list organizes our email list, enabling better management and updates. So it allows segmentation for targeted emails and improves deliverability by reducing spam issues. So we have a list created for us by default, which we can proceed to use, but I'd love to create my own, and I would say you do the same too. Now I'll click on create list, then proceed to name my list. Alright, this is looking good. I'll click on create, and now you can see we have it here with the initial list. For the list I just created, I would love to upload my email list into it. So clicking on the drop menu to proceed, click on import. Now I would have to choose how I would love to import my email list from 4 different options provided by SendFox. From uploading a CSV file to copying and pasting my email list to importing from a different email marketing software such as MailChimp, and finally I can also import my email list directly from my Google contact. In my own opinion, uploading a file that contains my email list is the most common way of importing our list. I'll proceed with clicking on this option and then locate my email list stored up in a CSV file. Now once I've found it, I'm going to go ahead and select it, and now you can see we are about to import our email list. Now mapping the data in our email list is very much needed right here on SendFox to help this email marketing tool give us the best possible. For each of the CSV file here, try mapping it with that of SendFox field. So let's do a couple of these together. The first field here has been identified as the first name field. The second field will be mapped as the address on SendFox. So the phone contact field will be mapped this as the contact on SendFox field. And quickly guys, the email field will be mapped out as the email field right here on SendFox also. I would say you should have a list well arranged to avoid mistakes when mapping them out on SendFox. Once done with mapping, click on confirm to proceed, and you can see we have successfully imported our email list into SendFox. Now let's say you want to create an opt-in page where you can share to your audience and have them join your email list by themselves. It is so easy to do that. Now with SendFox, this is how you're going to do it. Come over to the grid section right here, click on it, and here you can see the smart pages displayed here. A default opt-in page has been created for us, which we can make use of. You can preview these by clicking on view and see what this opt-in page looks like. So good looking and understandable. If you love to edit this, you can click on this icon right here and you can edit and change all the text being displayed here. Once done, proceed with save, and you have an opt-in page ready to be used. To create more opt-in page with a different style, you will need to upgrade your plan to access this feature. Now, moving over to how to start your email campaigns. Come over to the email section, click on create email. Now, this is more easier to understand. Firstly, you can go ahead and change the from name displaying here. And you can see the email list we imported earlier is rightly displayed here too. So we are good with that. For the subject line, I'll put in something random, and now we have a message ready to be sent. Now, to text if this would go directly into the inbox folder of the recipient, I could send a text mail to myself by clicking on text below here. Now we have the email sent. Let's go and check it if it actually landed in our inbox folder. And here guys, you can see we have it, but we have this filter from SendFox, which is here because we are currently running on a free account. But if you won't pay attention to this, then this tool could still be as effective for your business. Back to our dashboard guys, you could either schedule your campaigns or send it right now. The choice is all yours. If you're like me and would love to use automations for your email campaigns, I am sorry to say this to you, alright? With the free plan, you cannot create automations. And this is really important for business owners like you and I. So let's see what pricing plans SendFox offering us at the moment. Now we are directed to AppSumo to continue with our research and the pricing plan befitting for us. And this will be what we're directing. As we can see, we have different plans to choose from, each of these plans with its own uniqueness. For the lowest plan here, we get to pay the sum of $49 as a one-time payment for a lifetime deal. Yes guys, a one-time payment for a lifetime usage. So this is what SendFox is offering you. They are offering you pay just a one-time fee and you can have access to SendFox for a lifetime. I think this is much more better for small business owners and people who are looking to scale. So I would encourage you go through these options of payments and choose the one that suits you and your business. So if you feel SendFox is one email marketing software you would love to try out, let me know in the comment section below. So we'll end it here for SendFox guys. And now I want you to watch this video where I show you how to acquire high targeted leads in 2025. See you right there. Bye.